Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you along. We're shopping for Christmas ornaments. I am looking for some new pieces for my Christmas tree. So I decided to share with you the store that I go here in New York to shop for all my Christmas ornaments because they have a huge amount of beautiful ornaments, super affordable. This is like a discount store, you guys, but the quality, it's amazing. And they have everything. Every aisle, it's themed by the color, so it's really easy to kind of shop in that store as well. It's never messy. You guys, this store is seriously like Christmas wonderland in here. You will find everything from your ribbons, from your florals, everything you need to make your Christmas tree beautiful. So of course, my favorite aisles in the store are obviously the gold and the white and silver aisle, just because those are like my kind of colors that I usually like to go with. So those are my favorite aisles. So guys, there was a fair amount of people at the store, so I couldn't really focus on recording too much for you guys, but I did wanted to share what I had. Also, now I'm going to be sharing with you the items that I purchased. I honestly didn't pick a lot of stuff because I haven't decided what's going to be my pop-up color, but I did wanted to add some new items that I saw for my collection, which are silver and white, of course. First item I got is this beautiful acorn with white and silver. It looks really nice, and I think it looks a lot more expensive than what it is. It was only $1.39. So this one has to be one of my favorite finds, and it was $1.79, and I got about 10 of them. This chandelier ornament, it's another favorite of mine, and it reminds me of the Inspire Me Home Christmas collection, and it was only $1.59. This ornament is so pretty, and it was $1.79, and I picked up about 6 of them. And of course, I couldn't leave the store without picking some floral picks because, you know, those are really nice to fill in your Christmas tree. So this one you have probably seen if you saw my mantle because I used them there, but it's so pretty, you guys. So the last 2 items are just random picks for, you know, some DIYs for the holidays. So that being said, you guys, that was everything for this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoy. Let me know what was your favorite aisle.